The things that become a reason for making Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala upset with us, angry with us, or attaining the displeasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is what is called sinning. इसे गुनाह कहते हैं. गुनाह अल्लाह सुब्हानहू व तआला की को नाराज़ करना, अल्लाह सुब्हानहू व तआला के अहकामात को छोड़ देना, अल्लाह की नाफरमानी करना, नबी पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की सुन्नतों को रद्द करना, ये गुनाह है. So sinning is leaving what Allah has asked us to do, going against Allah, being disobedient to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and moreover letting go or thinking little of the sunnahs of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the teachings of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This is what sinning is. Why do we sin? We sin because majority of us do not realize we do not have the knowledge that what does sinning do to us. हमें इल्म ही नहीं है कि गुनाह के नुकसान क्या हैं. What are the ills that come on us when we sin? Because we do not understand the consequences of sinning, we are not aware of the consequences of sinning, therefore we don't feel hesitant